Hi children, good morning. I am Mehul sir. Today we will start a new lesson. Name of the lesson is Rip Van Winkle. Unit 5. Now look at the screen. Okay, now children, do you know who is this man? Okay, I will tell. He is Rip Van Winkle. He is very good natured man and always ready to help others. But the only problem with him is that he is very lazy. Even in the picture you can see that he is taking rest or sleeping. He is looking very lazy. Okay, now I will tell you the whole story. Here is the picture of Rip Van Winkle. You can see here there is a dog with him. Name of this dog is Wolf. Okay, here you can see there are some children. They are running with the Rip Van Winkle. Do you know why? Because this person, Rip Van Winkle, he likes to play with the children. He is very elder person. Though being an elder person, he is not working in his own farm. वो अपने खेत में काम नहीं करता था. Instead of doing that, he was wasting his time in playing with children, and sometimes he idle away or move without any plan in the forest with his dog. Okay, here he likes to, you can see in the picture, he likes to fly kites with the children, as you can see in the picture. Not only that, he even taught how to play marbles to the children. So these are some of the things he likes to do. Okay, and he was not doing his work in a farm. उसका खुद का जो खेत था उसमें वो काम नहीं करता था. That is why the weeds grew up in his farm, and his cow, they are also not aware what they have to do. So they are also moving here and there without any idea. Now I will show you. Okay, here in the picture you can see one day what happened. This person, Rip Van Winkle, he reached in a deep forest, and there was a mountain, big mountain in the forest. So he, with his companion dog, or you can say wolf, they both climb on, and at last they reached to the top of the mountain. Now they both are very tired, so they are taking rest under the tree. But suddenly the Rip was now feeling very tired. At that time he heard some voice from nearby place. So he watched for that. Who is that? And the person is calling Rip Van Winkle. Rip Van Winkle. Now here you can see there is a very short person. He was calling Rip. You can see the person is having a big barrel with him. So here this person, by the sign, he called the Rip Van Winkle, and he told that please help me to carry this barrel. Okay, they both are not knowing each other. वो लोग एक दूसरे को जानते नहीं हैं. But here, as we have discussed earlier, Rip is ready to help everyone. So he has decided to help this short person, and this short person is having very long beard of different kind of colors. Not only that, his clothes are also looking very odd. He was looking totally odd person. Now you can see in the picture, now here the Rip is helping this short man. Now they both reach the place where there are some more tiny, or you can say short people, and they are all playing this game. You can see here they are playing 9 pins. Children, do you have ever seen the game bowling? Okay, this game is same to the bowling game. Here you can see there is a ball in a hand of the person, and he is going to throw the ball, and with the help of this ball he will try to hit this, you can say, this kind of wooden things. So this game is called 9 pins in this chapter. Now I will show you some more pictures. Here, when they both reached there, they all stopped playing this game, and they all are now looking at the Rip Van Winkle. Now here he was surprised to see so many short people together, and he was afraid, or you can say frightened too. Here in the picture you can see they all have very different kind of clothes, and they all have beards, cap, and they all are looking very odd. Now here you can see now one of them have taken out some content from the wooden barrel, as you can see here, and he offered something from that barrel to the Rip. Here you can see, here the Rip was feeling very thirsty because earlier he has climbed up the whole mountain. So he drank some more glasses of that drink, and even he doesn't know what was there in that drink. So after taking few glasses, he fell asleep. वो सो गया वहीं पर. Okay, now you can see here the picture of Rip Van Winkle. He was sleeping. But children, have you noticed that here what is the difference between these two pictures? Here you can see the Rip Van Winkle. He was looking young, but in this picture you can see he is having very long and white beards, and his face is also looking like a face of old person with wrinkle on his skin. So the children, when he get up, he noticed that it was very sunny day, and he was thinking that he has slept here only for a night. But he was wrong, because he slept at this place for a very long time. Okay, now what happened? Here he was searching for his dog or his companion wolf, but he was not able to find him. After that he has decided to go down to the village. Now here you can see, when he reached near to the village, he has seen so many people on the road, but he was not able to recognize any one of them. Okay, not only that, the people of the village, they are also staring at him because they have never seen a person like him before. So they all are surprised to see him. And one of the person, he told that, look at that man, he is having very long beard and wrinkled face. After that, the Rip come to know that he has very long beard, around 1 foot long, and not only that, his face is also wrinkled. Now what happened? There is a old woman, you can see here in the picture, this old woman. She was actually the neighbor of this Rip Van Winkle. So she come to know him, and she told him that you are Rip Van Winkle. You came back to the village after a long time, after 20 years. So here, this was the story, children. This was the story of Rip Van Winkle. He slept under that tree for 20 long years. Can you believe it? So long time. So here, by this story, we come to know that to be a lazy person is not good for us, because he has wasted most of the important time, or you can say very important time of his life, in just sleeping. So children, we have to learn that we must be active, not lazy like this person. But there are some good qualities also in him. He is very helpful, he is good natured person. So we have to learn good things from him, but we must learn that we don't need to be lazy in our life. Okay, now children, we will start question answers. Number 1, circle the correct meaning of the given words. You may need to use the dictionary. Okay children, you can use dictionary also here. The first one is constant, and you have 3 options. Which one is the correct? You have to select. I have already selected coffee, construct, or steady. Here constant means steady. Companion, dog, strange or partner. So for companion we can use word partner. Realize, to understand, to set free or real. To understand is the correct answer. Descend, to send, to be descend or to move down. Descent means पहाड़ से उतरना या कोई चीज के मतलब कि ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ आना. So to move down is the correct answer. Then barrel, जो wooden barrel था ना, a wooden container as we have seen in the story, or a musical instrument or a bag. A wooden container is the correct answer. Then content, to be happy or to the ingredients or the index of a book. So here contents means the index of a book. Now next, you have to make the words in the box with their meaning. You may take the help of a dictionary. The first one, near the lower part of a mountain, that is foothills. जो पहाड़ का नीचे का पार्ट होता है, that is called foothills. The name of the village in which they are living is Catskill. Now, with grey hair means grizzled. The beard, color of the beard was grey. So it was grizzled, मतलब कि पका हुआ, जो सफ़ेद कलर का दाढ़ी हो जाती है वो बोलते हैं उसको grizzled beard. Then to rub gently means to stroke और दाढ़ी को धीरे से ऐसे चेक करना. To be very surprised means astonishment, or you can say amazed or surprised. Number 5, known to you means familiar. Now you have to say whether the following sentences are true or false. A. Rip was kind to children. Is it true or false? Yes, it's true. Then Rip was a hard-working man. No, it's false. Then the short old man on the mountain was his constant companion. No, it's wrong. Who was his constant companion? Wolf, the dog, was his constant companion. Now D. Rip helped the old man on the mountains because he wanted to have a drink from the barrel. No, it's false. Now E. Rip was away for 20 years because he was asleep on the mountains. Yes, it's true. Then the drink from the barrel made him fall asleep for 20 years. Yes, you can say that. It's true. Then nobody recognized Rip when he came back because he had reached the wrong village. No, it's wrong. Or false you can say, because he reached to the right village but he came back to that village after 20 years, so that nobody was able to recognize him. Now number 4, complete the following sentences. Rip's village was situated at the foothills means जो माउंटेन के किनारे पर था. कौन सा? कैटस्किल माउंटेन्स के किनारे पर. Then number 2, the children of the village loved him because he played with them, told them stories and taught them to shoot marbles and fly the kites with them. Plank was his constant companion. Yes, it's Wolf, the dog. Then the villagers stared at him because they have never seen him before. Number 5, the old woman who recognized Rip was his neighbor. Then number 5, what were the strange things about the man on the mountains? We have seen that man, they are looking very odd. Now we have to write down what were the strange things about them. I will show you. Number 1, they all were dressed in the same way. उनके कपड़े एक जैसे थे, but they have different colors. All had beards of various shapes and colors. उनके सबके दाढ़ी थी और उनके जो beards के color और shapes अलग अलग थे. Then number 3, their faces were very serious. Children, they were playing a game, but they are playing this game very seriously. Okay, they are not talking to each other. Normally, when we are playing any of the game, we make lots of noise, but here they are looking very serious. Then number 4, they all are silent while playing game. And at last, number 5, they all are very short. So these are some of the things which are strange about them. Now, number 6, what kind of a man was Rip Van Winkle? ये जो रिप वैन विंकल था वो कैसा आदमी था, उसके बारे में लिखना है. नाउ नंबर 1, ही वॉज अ काइंड नेबर, ही वॉज अ गुड नेचर्ड मैन, he loved to play with the children, but he was very lazy man. So this was here the last one was only the drawback in his character. Rest of all the things are good in his character. Now number 7, pick out the names of the games mentioned in the story. स्टोरी के अंदर कुछ गेम्स के नाम दिखाए गए थे, तो यहाँ एक लिस्ट है. यू हैव टू पिक आउट विच वेर the games: chess, flying kites, 9 pins, shooting marbles, mountain climbing, shooting, skipping or hopping. So flying kites is there in the chapter, then chess is not there, 9 pins is also there, then shooting marbles is also there, mountain climbing also you can say, shooting, skipping and hopping. So I think only these games, flying kites, 9 pins, shooting marbles and mountain climbing, these 4 games were mentioned in this chapter. Okay children, now number 8, sometimes we join 2 words to make a describing word. For example, Rip was a good natured. Here you can see good and natured, they both are different words, and we have made a new describing word by joining them. Good natured man, everybody also like him. Here are some more describing words. Use them to complete the given paragraph. You can see there are some describing words which are made by joining 2 different words. Long sleeve, high heel, well dressed, open mouth, sweet looking, odd looking, part time. Okay, now we have to fill in the blanks by using these describing words. Okay, which before that I will read out the whole paragraph. After that we will select the proper word for each blanks. Mrs. Das has blank job in a clothes market. Blank yesterday and blank woman walked into the shop. She was wearing blank shoes. A blank dog was with her. I want a blank shirt for my dog. Please, she said. For your dog? Asked Mrs. Das, blank in surprise. Yes, replied the woman. I want him to be blank for my next party. Here I have already written answers for these blanks. Now we will discuss. For the first blank, Mrs. Das has blank job in a clothes market or job. Here the answer will be part time. उनकी जॉब कैसी थी? पार्ट टाइम. Yesterday and blank woman walked in the shop. Odd looking मतलब जो अलग लगती है थोड़ी, है ना. She was wearing blank shoes, high heeled shoes. A blank dog was with her. Sweet looking. The dog with her was looking very sweet. Then I want a blank shirt for my dog, long sleeved. Sleeve मतलब कि लंबी, मतलब हैंड्स तक पूरा उसका ढक जाए ऐसी, लॉन्ग स्लीव. देन Mrs. Das, blank in surprise. Yes, replied the woman. Open mouth. Here the answer will be open mouth. I want him to be blank for my next party. The answer will be well dressed. Okay. Now next topic number 9. What is the common in the following groups of words. Here you can see there are 4 different words. Now you have to recognize, or you have to tell what is the common thing in all these words. Knee, knife, not, and no. It's very easy. You can easily find out that they all have K silent as a silent letter. So here the K is silent. Then neighbor, daughter, fight, straight, like that. Here GH is silent. Then honest, honor, or air, for that H is silent. Now try and make more silent words. We have to make some more silent words. Net, then nes, nev. Your G is silent. Tongue, wag, morg, then chalk, walk, talk, whistle, bustle, listen. So these are all rhyming words. Now number 11, read the 2 paragraphs given below. My mother is always awake before anyone else in the family. I usually wake up after 6 o'clock. I loll around lazily for few minutes. Then I get up and get dressed for school. At bedtime, I read a storybook. When I feel tired, I lie down and go to sleep very quickly. I fall asleep in no time at all. Here, awake, wake up, get up, lazily, lie down, quickly. These are some of the words. Now we will find out. Now find the opposite of the following words, like awake, wake up, get up, lazily. So here, for awake, opposite is asleep. Wake up, fall asleep. Then get up, lie down, lazily, quickly. So these are all the opposite words and the main words you can find in this paragraph also. Now number 10, fill in the blanks using the words in the previous questions. First one, blank and blank, quickly, you will be late for school, don't make a sound. Wake up and get up. Okay, wake up means नींद से जागना, get up means बेड से उठ के बाहर आना. Okay, the baby is blank, don't make a sound, or she will blank. So for that, the baby is, you can say, asleep or sleeping. She will wake up if you make a sound. Then number C, are you still blank? You should be blank now, or you will not be able to blank in the morning for school. Are you still awake? Means अभी तक सोए नहीं आप. You should be blank now, asleep now, or you will not be able to blank in the morning for school. You will not be able to get up. Okay? अगर आप देर तक जागोगे तो सुबह में जल्दी से उठ नहीं पाओगे. Then number 13, write about yourself using the following expression. Do you play in the park? Go to bed late? Fuss over food? Study hard? Okay, here always, frequently, usually, often, sometimes, rarely. Okay, now for example, I always do my work neatly. Always, we will use always, means हमेशा. Frequent, कभी कभी, frequently. Usually मतलब normally, हर बार करते हैं. Often, बार बार. Sometimes, कभी कभी. Rarely मतलब बहुत ही कम. So now we will discuss when we can use this kind of words. I frequently visit my native place. I usually go to the park with my friends. I often go to my uncle's home. I sometimes go to the temple, and I rarely go to see the movie in cinema hall. So we can use these words like this. Now number 14, use the following clues to complete the following exercise. Okay, this is your homework, children. Okay, you have to, what you have to do, I will tell you as a homework. I have done it for myself, but you have to write down in a different way for your homework. आपको अपना खुद का होमवर्क अपने तरीके से करना है. मैं यहाँ पर खाली दिखा रहा हूँ एग्जाम्पल. Okay, the words play, stop, buy, learn, see, meet, learn, be, eat, go, travel, start, read, visit. These are the words. Now you have to write down 3 new things you have done in the last 3 years. लास्ट 3 years में आपने जो कुछ नया सीखा या नया कुछ काम शुरू किया उनके बारे में लिखना है. मैं अपने बारे में लिखूंगा यहाँ पर. ए, आई हैव स्टार्टेड प्लेइंग बैडमिंटन एट इवनिंग. Then I have started helping my brother in his study, and I have started studying at evening and night. So these 3 things I have started new in last 3 years. Okay, so your answer may be different from this one. आपका आंसर इससे अलग होना चाहिए थोड़ा सा, ठीक है. Then number 2, write 3 things you have not done in the last 3 years. ऐसी 3 चीज जो आपने लास्ट 3 years में नहीं की है. आई हैव रिटन लाइक दिस. आई हैव नॉट प्लेड वॉलीबॉल सिंस फॉर लास्ट 3 years. देन आई नेवर फॉरगेट टू डू माई होमवर्क एंड आई हैव नॉट विजिटेड शॉपिंग मॉल. सो दीज आर द 3 things which I have not done in last 3 years. So you have to write your own answers like this. This is your homework, children, and chapter is over. Okay, bye.